If you're experiencing login issues with Renasant Bank, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot common login difficulties. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try opening other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password option on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email or SMS. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Sometimes stored data can cause issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you still can't log in, reach out to Renasant Bank's customer support for assistance. They can help you resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.